Good morning, students. The most welcome BBC Computer Online classes. So presented by Ramesh sir here, and computer application for class 8, chapter number 2, working in Microsoft Excel. So students, in this chapter, I explain you how to work in the Microsoft Excel, right? So first of all, what is the Microsoft Excel? So students, Microsoft Excel is a helpful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation. So students, especially the Microsoft Excel is a powerful program and especially used for data. It means the manage the data and analyze the data. Analyze means the gathering, okay, updating, okay. You want to insert, update, so we can do in the Excel. So second, and it is a spreadsheet program also. It means the Microsoft Excel is a powerful program and spreadsheet program also. So spreadsheet means the horizontal and vertical lines intersect in the form of cells, okay. So zigzag line types. So this is spreadsheet programs, okay. Spreadsheet which contain a number of columns and rows. They have the number of rows and column, and where each intersections of rows and column is called the cell. Cell is a smallest box in an Excel. You see in the Excel sheet, so many small box. So singly small box is called the cell. Okay, each cell contain the one point of the data. Okay, it means this cell have the data. In that case, you want to write. So you want to write. So where you write? In cell. Okay. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to record and analyze the numeric data. Numeric means 1, 2, 3, like this type of data we can modify, right? So this one is a Excel sheet. So students, here the small box. This one is small box. This is a small box. This is all called the cell. Okay. So I explain the content in this chapter of Excels. So number one is a title bar. Title bar is the name of Excel bar. Quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar have the quickly we can save. Okay, we can redo and undo command also here having. File tab. It means file tab especially used for copy. Open a new file you want to open, save, exit. So this type of command we are in file tab. Name box. So name box students especially the represent where you write. Okay. So this is a name box. Okay. And select all the buttons. So select all the button. Click in upside corner. So all the button are selected. Okay. Sheet tab, scroll wheel. So scroll wheel means you can move up and down of sheets. Status bar in the corner side. So status bar all the give the all the information about the cell. It means what you write, number of line, all the things represented here. Column, this is a column heading. This is a white area. This is a worksheet window. Okay. Ribbon is a below of title bar. Okay, this is total area. It's called the ribbon. Okay, so ribbon have the all the means designing all the content, like you want to modify, you can to update. So all the updation we can do with the help of ribbon tool. So this is toolkit. Vertical scroll bar. So vertical scroll bar this. So we can do up and down. Horizontal scroll bar here. Okay. Left and right we can see. Zoom, increase and decrease the size of Excel. View here the three views. Okay, which view means how to see in the screen, right? And active cell is a dark line. Okay, so dark cell is called the active cell. Active means I am ready for the typing. You can insert, right? So this is a sheet. After then, what is the spreadsheet? So students, spreadsheet is a file that exit of the cell in a row and columns, and can help arrange, calculate and sort the data. We can do like sort the data. Sort means arranging data, calculate, some having you have calculations, so some calculation also we can do, like like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, data is a spreadsheets, can be numeric value as well as the like text, formula. Okay, it's refer and the function. And second definition, you can say short form spreadsheet is sheets. Spreadsheet is called the worksheet. Okay, in Excel. So what is the workbook? So students, a workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheet to help you organize the data. So students, workbook just like a notebook. So notebook have so many pages, right? So this is so many pages is called the workbook, as it is in Excel. But in notebook you have so many pages. So single page of notebook is called like a worksheet. Worksheet like the single sheet of Excel, right? So workbook is a collection of worksheet, as it is used. I'm asking. So students, notebook. Notebook is a collection of pages. So as it is, workbook is a collection of worksheet. Worksheet is a single sheet, or workbook is a collection of one or more spreadsheet is also called the worksheet. Worksheet here. So student, worksheet is contain the cell organized in the form of rows and column. So this is single definitions. And a worksheet given with a row 1 and column 1. This is a starting point of row 1 and column A. Dark border is also called the active cell. Okay. After then, the working with the sheet tab. How to work in a sheet tab. Okay. So you can insert a new worksheet. First, you can rename also. You can delete also. So we can do. So separately I explain here how to insert a new sheet. So students, from the sheet tab, right click on the worksheet, click on insert option and select the worksheet option in the journal tab and click OK button. So like this, right click, okay, insert button here, and number of sheet you can insert, which number of sheet you want to. Sheet means single sheet, okay, but by default the 3 sheet here, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, but you want to more, then right click, then insert, right? After that, renaming a worksheet. So how to rename? I explain you. The worksheet rename means to replace the old name and new name you write. So how? From the sheet tab, right click on the worksheet and select the rename option and type the new name. As it is, delete the worksheet. How to delete? So students, click on the sheet tab, right click on worksheet, okay, and then select delete option. So with the help of diagram I explain sheet here in the downside, okay, right click and delete option here and rename option here. So click rename, then new name you given, and you want to delete sheet, then select delete option, then sheet will delete. Range, okay, so range I explain here. Range is a selecting rectangular block, 2 or more cell is called the range. It means with the help of mouse button, number of rows and number of column you select it. Okay, so selecting with the help of mouse is called the range. So how? Select first, click the first cell of the range. After then, drag the mouse pointer to the last cell. Okay, so like here, select, right click, click here and drag and drop. Okay, so student, you see in here, so drag and drop you can do. Okay, first select the first cell and after the corner side drag and leave this. Number of cell depend on your requirement, how much you want to select. After then, naming the range. So student, you can define a name for the cell range. This is helpful in updating and managing the range. So how? Select the range of the cell, right click the select range, okay, and click the define the name option, like here now right click, okay, and define the name option here and type the name of the name box and OK button. Then it's you give the permanent selecting rectangle range formula. This is also very interesting formula. So a formula is an expression that is operate means calculation like this, the value in a range of sales and sale. It means the one sale and maybe more sale also. So explain like A1 plus A2 plus A3. So A1 A2, what is this? This A1 A2 have the value in the cell box, right? A and A. A means column, okay, and 1, 2, 3 is a row, okay. So which find the sum of the range value A2, A3. How? I explain you. So number 1 is a column, okay, column A, column B. So column here and row number 1, 2, 3. So some amount here and is equal to sign all the calculation you starting with is equal to sign A1 plus A2 plus A3. Then enter key you press, then automatically sum you find here, okay. After then sale reference, this is also most important, sale reference. So student, here the sale address used in the formula is called the cell reference. It means the formula box is called the cell reference. A cell range in a formula is also called the cell reference. There are the 3 types of cell reference here, okay. How many types? 3 types. Number 1, relative cell reference. Second, absolute cell reference. And third, mixed cell reference, okay. So first of all, number 1, relative cell reference is a reference to the cell relative to the position of the formula. So a formula with a relative cell reference change as usual the copy in the form of one cell to another cell. So simple formula you can say like this, okay. So simple calculation with the help of formula we can do. After then absolute. So absolute means absolute, just like a name already defined. Absolute means accurate, okay. So absolute cell reference is a reference that is always the reference to a particular cell. It means a special cell, okay. It does not change when the formula is copied. In that case, the first of it does not change in the formula of the copy. It means the one formula is copied, then you want to again the paste, then formula always fixed. So it is the represent by the dollar sign. So this absolute reference always starting with the dollar sign. This is represent by the dollar sign. And here the simple form of calculation, but here the dollar sign always you use. After then a mixed cell. A mixed cell is a occur when we use both relative and absolute. It means the mixed cell always use both relative and absolute reference. It means the dollar sign also and simple formula also, both you use in a mixed cell. After then copy the formula. How to copy the formula? To copy the formula from one cell to another, it is automatically to change the cell reference to apply the copy formula to the new cell. So simple copy and paste command we can use. How? So to copy the formula, like click first of all the select the cell formula. After then bring the mouse pointer to the right corner. After then plus sign you can see the corner side here, okay, the blue rectangle box in the corner side the plus sign. So this cell, okay, so this click here. After then drag the across column and row where you want to, okay, according the data. And after then realize the value. So automatically will change. It means the find the sum whatever what formula you use. After then the copy the formula using the and paste. How to paste? So select the cell, after then copy formula and clipboard. With the help of clipboard, copy and paste option also here, and select the cell where you want to paste and relieve here the paste formula and then over, okay. After then error. So students, this is most important. The error is a Excel's in Excel means error, that it means the something is wrong. Error means the something is wrong within way the formula has been typed. So we have the some mistake. So with the help of it means the error. So here the several error, okay, and every error defined by the hash sign. This is a symbol of error, symbols hash sign. So like some error here, just like the name error, so name and question mark, value error, hash value, okay, and division error, hash sign and div, and null error, hash and null, and reference error, hash and ref. This is short form. Like here, okay, some mistake you having, then this type of error, and this is a error, all the error, value error because you not write the value, and here the reference error, okay. So thank you, have a nice day.